Welcome to 714 Malachi Street, our newest listing in Grand Junction, Colorado. Situated in the Independence Estates community, this Redlands property features amazing views, a wonderful neighborhood feel, and mature landscaping. Let's go inside and take a look. The open concept layout is anchored by an amazing kitchen, perfect for entertaining, flowing seamlessly into a bright and inviting living space. On the main level, the private primary suite offers its own retreat with stunning views and a luxurious spa-like bathroom. With 5 spacious bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, this home was built to comfortably accommodate family, friends, and everything in between. Step outside and you'll enjoy a spacious backyard with plenty of room for activities. Contact me for your private tour today at 970-697-7232.